Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cameron. It's been a while, and today we got car parts. How long has it been, you ask? It's been that long. Hi, Dougie. I'm aware it's been a very long time. I say this every single time I start a video. And it's weird how that works. I'll make a video and then 6 months passes and I don't know what happened. Anyway, car's been neglected. Look at that. In a garage. That thing. Battery tenders on it. Winter's here. It's time to get ready for next year. And there's no better way to start than with performance mods. Just kidding, that's not what we're doing at all because that would be smart, and we're doing appearance again. Yeah. The reason why I haven't been making a lot of content is because that tire fell off the wheel. It was just randomly, it was going like 2 miles an hour and it just fell off. I don't know what happened, came to beat it. It was the weirdest thing ever. But we got new tires on there, they're new size, we're ready for next season. But we're here to talk about what's in this box. It's fragile and it's from that company. Now I'm not gonna pretend like I didn't already open up and look inside because I was super excited. I've been waiting for a very long time for this because I did that. It's already opened. Sorry. But we're just gonna jump right into it. These are our new parts from Carbon Driven. I've been wanting to update the interior of my car for a very long time, and there's no better way than with carbon fiber. We have the new center console thing. Put that down softly. Then we have a pillar. One. Set that down soft. Or just throw it on the ground, that's fine too. And then we have a pillar number 2. I think these are gonna look so sick on the inside. It's really gonna update the interior of the car because, as you know, this car is 15 years old. It's time to give it some updates. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop the top, make it a little easier to work on. Okay, now that's that done, wow. Now that that's done, let's get started. This first piece is just a cover. It's not bolted on or replaces any of the factory bolts. It's literally just 3M'd on. So we are going to take the center console out to make it a little easier and just go from there. 1 screw, 2 screws, and 3 screws. Just slide right off. Now that that's off, we gotta clean it. They give you tape and cleaning pads already included in the bag. So we're gonna clean off all the oils on here and get that installed. Just for example, I clean my car regularly. Deep clean your car, guys. Next thing I'm gonna do is put a towel down and take this and cut a bunch of little pieces off. Stick her all over there. Okay, tape is all on there now. We're just gonna peel them all off and then stick the carbon to the center console. One thing I did notice is my leather is kind of separating, so we're gonna have to kind of squish that in and then stick her on. Okay, just like that, it's on there. Let's go put her back in the car. Let's shed a little light on her. Part 1 is done. Center console's in. I'm gonna let the tape kind of settle still, but that's in and that looks freaking great. I know you guys can hardly see it in the camera, but trust me, I'll get more pictures. Now, we're gonna move on to the A-pillars. Okay, so for this one, it's not tape that holds it on. This one, we actually need to remove some trim pieces, take out that pin, or remove this whole entire thing, and it replaces the actual A-pillar trim. We're gonna see how this is gonna go. Working with this carbon stresses me out because it's so expensive, but in the end, it makes it all worth it because it's super shiny and looks great. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. I'll show you the steps along the way, so give me 1 second. Let's get that first one removed. Okay, got the first one removed. There you go. It's hecka scary. because there's one Christmas tree pin goes in that hole there, and on the back there's 1, 2, and 3 clips, and those are terrifying to remove. You're also going to want to pull your trim aside. All right, so now come over here and match it up. I believe it's this one. Yep. And then we're going to take these pins that I left inside. We're going to take these clips and put them on the back of this. So they go there, there, and there. Only complaint thus far is they make you reuse a clip. So they give you that one, and they make you reuse this one, which I quickly broke on my stock ones. So let's go get that installed now. Well, that was freaking scary, but we got her in there. Fits pretty nice. Oh, and down there. Gotta wipe that dirt off, but okay, there's another one. We got 1, we got 2, and you're our last one, little buddy. Hello, car. Apparently, when they did my remote start, they forgot to put something back in my car. Count them with me. 1, 2. Where's my 3rd clip? I would say normally the second one goes easier than the first, but this time it wasn't the case. So we've got the center console thing. We've got, I turned my flashlight off, A-pillar number 1 and A-pillar number 2. They look really good. Carbon Driven did an amazing job on them. Props to them. I will run their decal on my car for this coming racing season. On the other hand, the guys that did my remote start wasn't terribly impressed with their wiring. It made that one a huge hassle to get on to go over their wiring, but it's on now. What can we do? It looks great, honestly. Some of the greatest, probably one of my favorite mods I've done to this car. It looks freaking fantastic. So thank you guys. I appreciate it. I think, I'll admit it, Carbon, I am still addicted to it. I'm gonna be staring at that for a long time. It's winter now. Front lip is off the car. It is snowy as freak. The car is parked. We got the truck out now. Fresh tires. It's about to get real, guys. Racing season's coming fast. So let's do more cosmetic stuff. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I appreciate you guys spending every minute that you are here with me. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. What do you think about the Carbon? Do you like it? Do you think it's ricery? Ricery, that's a word now. Ricey. Let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I really want these to be in Carbon. I think that would look phenomenal. We'll see what happens. Again, guys, my name is Cameron, or Camco2013. Be sure to follow me. Snapchat, Instagram, I'm just gonna run through all of them. I appreciate all you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.